Number 1. Leverage your expertise for specialized coaching. Your extensive experience can be a valuable asset. Offer specialized coaching services in your field to individuals or businesses. Share your knowledge through one-on-one consultations, workshops, or online courses. Develop niche coaching programs that address specific challenges or goals within your industry. Market your services by creating a professional website, networking within your industry, and leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn to attract clients and establish yourself as a thought leader. Number 2. Monetize vintage collectibles. If you have a collection of vintage items such as antiques, stamps, coins, or memorabilia, consider selling them. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and specialized collector websites can help you reach potential buyers. Research the market value of your items to ensure you get the best prices. Attend local antique fairs, join online collector groups, and consult with experts to understand the true value of your items and maximize your returns. Number 3. Offer home downsizing services. Help seniors and families downsize their homes by offering decluttering, organizing, and relocation services. This niche market is growing as more people seek to simplify their lives. Partner with real estate agents and moving companies to expand your client base. Develop a comprehensive service package that includes sorting belongings, coordinating donations or sales of unwanted items, and overseeing the moving process. Create a professional website and promote your services through local community centers, senior living facilities, and social media. Number 4. Create and sell digital products. Develop digital products such as ebooks, printable planners, or online templates. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and your own online store can help you reach a global audience. Focus on creating high-quality, valuable products that cater to specific needs or interests. Research popular trends and niches to identify gaps in the market. Invest time in designing visually appealing products and optimizing your listings with keywords to improve visibility and attract customers. Number 5. Become a travel guide or blogger. If you love to travel, consider becoming a travel guide or blogger. Share your travel experiences, tips, and recommendations through guided tours or an online blog. Monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Build an engaging and informative blog by regularly posting high-quality content, incorporating stunning photography, and providing practical travel advice. Partner with tourism boards, travel companies, and local businesses to expand your reach and generate income through collaborations. Number 6. Start a subscription-based service. Create a subscription service for a niche market, such as gourmet food boxes, craft kits, or book clubs. Platforms like Cratejoy can help you manage subscriptions and reach potential customers. Offer exclusive content or items to keep subscribers engaged. Conduct market research to identify your target audience and their preferences. Develop a unique value proposition and create enticing subscription packages that provide value and surprise. Use social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to promote your service and attract subscribers. Number 7. Rent out recreational equipment. If you own recreational equipment like boats, RVs, or camping gear, consider renting them out. Websites like Outdoorsy and Boatsetter connect owners with renters looking for adventure. Ensure your equipment is well maintained and insured. Create detailed listings with high-quality photos and descriptions to attract renters. Offer additional services, such as delivery and setup, to enhance the rental experience and increase your earnings. And provide excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and repeat business. Number 8. Offer pet services. Provide pet sitting, dog walking, or pet grooming services. This growing market offers flexible work hours and the opportunity to work with animals. Advertise your services locally or through websites like roverandcare.com. Develop a professional website and create profiles on pet service platforms. Offer packages and discounts for repeat customers, and build a loyal client base by providing exceptional care and personalized attention to each pet. Network with local veterinarians, pet stores, and dog parks to expand your reach. Number 9. Develop a mobile app. If you have a unique idea for a mobile app, consider developing it. You can hire a developer or learn to code yourself. Monetize the app through in-app purchases, ads, or subscription fees. Platforms like the Apple App Store and Google Play can help you reach a wide audience. Conduct market research to validate your app idea and identify your target users. Create a detailed project plan including design, development, and marketing strategies. Test the app thoroughly before launch and gather user feedback to make improvements. Number 10. Teach a skill online. Share your expertise by teaching a skill online, such as cooking, sewing, or playing an instrument. Use platforms like Skillshare, YouTube, or your own website to reach students. Create high-quality video tutorials and engage with your audience through live sessions. Develop a comprehensive curriculum that includes step-by-step instructions, downloadable resources, and interactive elements. Promote your courses through social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers or related businesses to attract students and build a loyal following. Number 11. Invest in niche markets. Explore investment opportunities in niche markets, such as renewable energy, biotechnology, or emerging markets. Conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor to identify promising investments. Diversifying your portfolio in these areas can provide growth potential and reduce risk. Stay informed about industry trends and developments, and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Consider investing in specialized funds or exchange-traded funds that focus on niche markets to gain exposure without taking on excessive risk. Number 12. Become an estate sale organizer. Help families organize and manage estate sales. This service involves sorting, pricing, and selling household items, often after a significant life event. Partner with local estate sale companies or advertise your services independently. Develop a reputation for professionalism, sensitivity, and efficiency. Offer comprehensive services that include marketing the sale, coordinating with buyers, and handling logistics. Build relationships with local real estate agents, probate attorneys, and senior living facilities to generate referrals. Number 13. Create custom merchandise. Design and sell custom merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases through print-on-demand services. Platforms like Printful and Teespring handle production and shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Create unique, appealing designs that cater to specific niches or trends. Conduct market research to identify popular themes and preferences. Use social media, influencer marketing, and online advertising to promote your products and attract customers. Offer limited edition items and special promotions to drive sales. Number 14. Offer eco-friendly products. Develop and sell eco-friendly products, such as reusable bags, sustainable home goods, or organic skincare. Market your products through an online store and social media. Highlight the environmental benefits and quality of your products to attract eco-conscious consumers. Create a compelling brand story that emphasizes your commitment to sustainability. Partner with eco-friendly influencers and organizations to expand your reach. Use sustainable packaging and practices to reinforce your brand values and appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Number 15. Host virtual events. Organize and host virtual events, such as webinars, conferences, or online workshops. Use platforms like Zoom, Hopin, or Crowdcast to manage and promote your events. Offer valuable content and networking opportunities to attract attendees and sponsors. Develop a detailed event plan, including topics, speakers, and promotional strategies. Leverage social media, email marketing, and partnerships with industry influencers to drive registrations. Provide engaging and interactive experiences during the event to keep attendees engaged and satisfied. Number 16. Create an online community. Build an online community around a shared interest or passion, such as fitness, gardening, or personal development. Use platforms like Facebook groups, Discord, or a dedicated forum. Monetize the community through membership fees, ads, or selling related products and services. Create valuable and engaging content to attract and retain members. Foster a positive and supportive environment by actively moderating discussions and encouraging member participation. Number 17. Offer financial literacy workshops. Teach financial literacy workshops to help others manage their money, plan for retirement, and achieve financial goals. Offer these workshops online or in person through local community centers or libraries. Gain certification through organizations like the National Financial Educators Council to enhance your credibility. Develop comprehensive workshop materials that cover essential financial topics such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. Promote your workshops through local media, social media, and partnerships with community organizations. Number 18. Rent out your car. If you have a vehicle that you don't use regularly, consider renting it out. Platforms like Turo and GetAround allow you to list your car for short-term rentals. Ensure your car is well maintained and insured to attract renters and protect your investment. Create a detailed and appealing listing with high-quality photos and accurate descriptions. Set competitive rental rates based on your car's make, model, and condition. Provide excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and repeat rentals. Number 19. Create a niche podcast. Start a podcast focused on a specific niche or interest, such as history, true crime, or wellness. Use platforms like Anchor or Podbean to distribute your podcast. Monetize through sponsorships, ads, and listener support on platforms like Patreon. Develop a unique and engaging podcast concept that stands out in your chosen niche. Invest in quality recording equipment and editing software to produce professional episodes. Promote your podcast through social media, collaborations with other podcasters, and guest appearances on related shows. Number 20. Offer life coaching services. Use your life experience to help others achieve their personal and professional goals. Gain certification through organizations like the International Coach Federation to enhance your credibility. Offer one-on-one coaching, group sessions, or online programs, and market your services through a website and social media. Develop a comprehensive coaching program that includes goal setting, action planning, and accountability. Use testimonials and success stories to showcase the impact of your coaching and attract new clients. Provide ongoing support and resources to help clients achieve lasting results.